In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want your online status to remain hidden or private, then it's pretty simple. Just head to your WhatsApp app. Then from this, click on these three dots here for more options and click on settings. Now under settings, click on privacy and then down here choose status. Now currently you can see under who can see my status update, it is set to my contact, which means everyone on my contact can see my status. So when I'm online, they'll be able to know. However, I like to hide this. To do that, go ahead and tap on this second option, my contact except this one, and then go ahead and exclude if you want to exclude anyone. So if you want only this person to see, you can choose them and then tap on OK. So only one will see your online status, but the rest won't be able to see your online status. Should you want everyone or all the contacts not to see your status, just go ahead and check that and make sure that now all of them are selected by tapping on this check mark here. And when you tap on it, now status settings will be saved. From now henceforth, no one will be able to see your online status. So that's how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.